Hi everyone and welcome back to my daily analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec, on Tuesday the 8th of December. Now, cable is a really interesting play at the moment. A lot of Brexit volatility playing out through these negotiations that are ongoing in Brussels in this week, and certainly we're seeing a lot of volatility through the chart. But looking at the slide here, this a correction is threatening because the market is now starting to wonder whether a deal can be reached or not, and starting to have to price for the prospect of a no deal once more. Previously, the market had been sort of pulling for a deal. It certainly seemed as though the two sides were coming towards that agreement, but in the last few days, as the run-up to the absolute deadline seems to be coming, the two sides are really not all that close, but we'll see how they go in the talks. But certainly on a correction basis, we're looking at the support around 32.85. I've talked about that previously, this breakout support. If you see a closing level below that, I think that really would suggest that the market is really going a little bit less positive on this. You've had a volatile few sessions on cable, really big, strong moves intraday, big, long downside shadow on yesterday's candle, reacted higher into the close, but certainly it's fallen again today, and we can see that the pressure is growing once more. And that you can see here on the 4-hour chart, probably best of all, that the initial move to the downside was bought into, but it's fallen over again, and the market is starting to look a little bit, well, somewhat wary of how this one could play out. So we've got the resistance that comes in. If I get the crosshair, the resistance that comes in, interestingly, around an old support area, resistance coming in around that 34 figure mark, 34.05 yesterday, and it's fallen over around that level and now sort of edging back towards that 32.85 mark that I've said on the daily chart really does look, if you see a closing level below that, it looks like you're turning corrective within this uptrend channel once more. Breaking and closing below 32.25, yesterday's reaction though really would open that 31 figure area, which is the next real basis of a reaction low, I think. So seeing as this these momentum indicators are turning over, if you see that RSI in the 40s, I think again you're looking corrective, and I think that would generate some downside momentum in this channel. But essentially on a medium to longer term basis, we're still positive at the moment, but that could change with the politics on Brexit. If no deal, we're seeing, I think, cable in the low, certainly in the low 30s, maybe even in the high 20s very quickly. So that would be your risk, I think, on cable. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website to sign up for our webinars, and click to watch Trader Talks, our videos that give you top trading ideas.